Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate incognito mode in VLC Media Player. So I'm opening my VLC Media Player. Okay, then you can see there is three dots. Click that. Then you can see there is incognito mode. Tap on that. Then it will become incognito mode. Then you can watch streaming links, anything that not save any histories. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily surf anywhere with URL in this media player, and there is no history will be there. So this is one of the very useful feature. And when VLC player is also support any kind of video files and audio files, so it is very useful, this incognito mode. In some areas you can easily stream some kind of links. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.